Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato soup and garlic bread using an easy method. First, let's get our soup started. Begin by gathering your simple ingredients, including canned crushed tomatoes, vegetable broth, an onion, and some garlic. Next, in a large pot, sauté your diced onion and minced garlic in a tablespoon of olive oil until they are soft and fragrant. Then, add 2 28-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes and 4 cups of vegetable broth to the pot. Once all your ingredients are in the pot, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. After it reaches a simmer, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for about 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. For a richer, smoother texture, stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Finally, use an immersion blender to puree the soup directly in the pot until it reaches your desired creamy consistency. Be careful, as the soup will be hot. Now let's prepare the perfect accompaniment: easy garlic bread. Start by taking a fresh baguette or a loaf of Italian bread and slicing it lengthwise into 2 equal halves. In a small bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter with 2 cloves of freshly minced garlic. You can also add a pinch of dried parsley if you like. Spread this aromatic garlic butter mixture evenly over the cut sides of both bread halves, ensuring full coverage. To finish our garlic bread, place the buttered halves onto a baking sheet. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and crispy. Once baked, remove the bread from the oven and slice it into individual portions. Serve your warm, crusty garlic bread alongside your creamy tomato soup for a comforting and delicious meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a great book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.